Good morning, children. Today we are going to explore something very exciting. How many of you have gone for a walk in a park or outdoors? Wonderful. Look at this picture. Two children are walking outside. What do they see? Trees, flowers, birds, right? They also feel the warmth of the sun and the breeze. Now here's a question. How would you classify all the things you see outside? Look, here we have 3 boxes. 1 solid, 2 liquid, 3 gas. We're going to write the things we see outside into these 3 categories. Solid, rocks, wood, sand, these are all solids. We can touch them, hold them, feel them. Water in a pond, rainwater, these are liquids. They flow, they pour. Water, milk, juice. Gas. The air we breathe, the fragrance of flowers, these are gases. We can't see them, but we can feel them. Air, steam, smell, fragrance. Is there anything else that doesn't fit into these 3 groups? Think about it. Sunlight, heat, sound. These are all energy, not matter. Big, important facts. Children, pay attention. First thing, all the things we observe can be classified into 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. These are called the states of matter. Second thing, heat, light, and sound don't belong to these 3 groups. Why? Because they are energy city, not matter. Now we're going to do an exciting experiment. We need 5 transparent glass or plastic bottles with caps, water pebbles or marbles. First, let's label our 5 bottles as A, B, C, D, and E. Now carefully do the following. A bottle A, pour water up to half of the bottle. B, bottle B, put a few pebbles or marbles. C, bottle C, pour water up to half, plus add a few pebbles or marbles. D, bottle D, fill the bottle completely with water to the top. E, bottle. E, don't add anything, leave it empty. Now let's look at our table. We need to identify which solid, liquid, and gas are present in each bottle. Bottle A. What do you see here? There's water, that's a liquid. It's the empty space at the top. There's air there, that's a gas. Bottle B. Pebbles, they are solid. Is the bottle really empty? No, there's air in it too. Solid check mark, gas check mark. Bottle C. Wow, this one has all 3 pebbles: solid, water, liquid, and air at the top. Gas. All 3 present. Bottle D. We filled it completely with water. There's no room for air, so only liquid. Only liquid. Bottle E. Do you think it's empty? No, it has air in it. Air is a gas. Only gas. Now compare your findings with your friends. Did everyone get the same answers? Special example. Volcanic eruption. Look at this picture of a volcanic eruption, children. We can see all 3 states here. Solid, flying volcanic rocks, ash, liquid, molten lava. This is extremely hot liquid. Gas, smoke, steam, and gases coming out. Even in nature, all 3 states exist at the same time. Now a slightly difficult question. Ice cream and jelly, which category do we put these in? This is a bit challenging, isn't it? Because some substances have 2 or even all 3 states mixed together. Ice cream. Frozen milk, solid plus liquid. Air bubbles inside, gas. When temperature changes, it melts, becomes liquid. Jelly. Has a solid shape, but it's liquid-like in the middle. This is why it's difficult to classify some natural and man-made substances into a single definite physical state. Now think about your kitchen at home. Let's categorize the items. Solid, plate, bowl, knife, fork, rice, lentils, spices, salt, sugar, vegetables. Liquid, oil, milk juice, honey, vinegar, curry, soup. Gas. LPG cooking gas, steam when cooking. Smell, aroma of cooking food. Now write down 3 things that cannot be categorized as solid, liquid, or gas. Examples. 1. Electric light. This is energy 2. Heat. This is energy 3. Sound. This is energy. You got it right. All of these are energy, not matter. Excellent, children. Today we learned matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. We can classify everything around us into these three categories. Some substances are complex. They may have two or all three states. Light, heat, and sound are not matter. They are energy. In our next class, we'll explore the special characteristics of these states in more depth. Thank you. Find 10 items in your home and classify them into solid, liquid, and gas. Ask your parents about the materials they use daily. Bring an interesting object to the next class. We'll classify it together.